So students, the theme of the poem I have already told you. So, through the lines of the poem, what message Frost wants to convey to the readers? In the beginning itself, I told you it is a philosophy, or it is a philosophical poem of Robert Frost. So, through the lines of the poetry, the poet wants to say that often this sort of incident happens with us, and it is quite common. Often it happens that we are in a state of depression, we are in a state of agony, we are in a state of grief or despair, but suddenly a small or trivial incident changes our life, and that at that very moment we forget everything. Just few minutes or few seconds before, I was in heavy heart, I was in a state of frustration, I was in a state of grief, but only one trivial incident can change our life. Just the poet, he was standing there with heavy heart, filled with distress and despair, and that crow shook the branch of the tree. The dust of snow or the particles of snow fell on the poet, and the poet's entire life was changed. And he proceeded with full energy, and rest of the day or remaining part of the day he spent with joy and happiness.